and we'll move on to our next category, which is Opportunistic Investor of the Year. And actually, I'd like to call up Carol Zeman from CBRE Backup, CBRE Global Investors Backup, to help us hand out this award.
And here are the nominees.
Welcome back.
RS Management, Blue House Capital, Europa Capital, Griffin Real Estate, Tristan Capital Partners.
Okay, so welcome back, and thank you for helping us hand out an award.
Thank you. So this award goes to the brave ones, and I have the pleasure to announce that the Opportunistic Investor of the Year is Europa Capital. Congratulations.
Thank you very much, everybody. It's a real honour to win this, and I thank all our partners and our lawyers and everyone like that we've been working with here for 20 years or so that we've been investing, and it's great. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Please come up here for a photo. We need to be a little closer to just a little bit up here. Okay, there we go.